candle burning low, lots of mistletoe, lots of snow and ice everywhere.
Okay, you guys, so let's get right into this video, and I'm sorry if you hear my son in the background. You know, a mother gotta do what she gotta do, right? So I'm starting out with my BH Cosmetics 106 brush, and it is pointy top for eyeliner, and it's the BH Cosmetics 106 brush. And we're going to use our inglot gel eyeliner. Just what it looks like. Do a little mascara to mend our lashes with our false lashes. And for that, I'm going to superhero mascara. And that is just what it says on the bottom. And this is how it looks across the top. And then we're going to grab a pair of lashes. And I'll link it below, but I got them from... And then we're going to use some eyelash glue, which is our duo brush on adhesive with a little dirty, but this is how it looks. And you want to grab a mirror so that you can see everything very well. And this is just one that I got from the dollar store. And let's begin. And then we're just going to brush on the adhesive, and you want to apply it across the lash band. See? Okay. And kind of sort of pinch so it'll stay there. And then now we're going to try the end. Okay, and then we're going to attach it to the other end. And we're still looking down. And now that you got it placed, you want to pinch and make sure it is secure. And you're just pinching. And the reason why we are looking down is because you want to make sure there's not a gap between your lashes and the false lashes. So when you look down, you can see whether or not there's a gap between your lashes and the false lashes. And then it's okay to look on top too to make sure that there's no gaps too. So kind of like, you know, angle your mirror. You know, you can look down. And then you can kind of sort of like look upward so you can see on top to make sure that you have your lash secure on all ends. Okay, and you're just pinching. You're pinching and you're pushing the lash, and you want it as close to your lash line as possible. That is the goal. Okay, now once you get it how you want, while this is dry, I'm going to go ahead and do the other lash. I'm going to let them dry. Now is when our liner is going to take in place. And with our BH Cosmetics 106 brush, we are going to dab into that gel liner. And then we're going to go right across the lash band. Okay. And that's why I love this gel eyeliner, because it is so pigmented and it's matte and it blends right into that lash band. And you just want to make sure that it's nice and black. For mascara. So basically, we're just applying mascara as we would normally do up under the lash to mend eyelashes together and the falls to make them look like they're one. And why you want to mend your lashes with the false lashes, especially when you might get away with it if you're not wearing eyeshadow that day, but you definitely want to do it if it's a day that you decide to wear eyeshadow, only because sometimes the shadow falls into our lashes, and a lot of times if you see the colors on your lashes and you put on your false lashes, you can kind of tell the difference between your lashes and the false lashes. So we want to enhance what we already got, not make it look as if it's fake, if you get what I'm saying. And then if you want to go an extra step for your day, what I normally do is lash my bottom lashes. I prime them, I'm sorry. I prime my bottom lashes with my L'Oreal Voluminous Eyelash Primer. And then I apply the It Cosmetics mascara or a mascara of your choice. And then I go on top of that primer to make your bottom lashes look nice and thick. Lashes. Alrighty, give it a few seconds to let it dry, and then, do something, doodle on your phone, check your text messages, whatever. Let it dry a little bit, because you don't want it, because all it's going to, if you go in with your mascara now, all it's going to do is mix in with the mascara, and it defeats the purpose. So let it actually prime your bottom lashes, and then we'll go in with the mascara. And now we're going to apply mascara. Final look for today's tutorial. I hope it was simple for you. I hope you were able to see everything that I did. I do apologize. Yesterday in the video I kept saying day 4. Today is day 4 of our 25 day till Christmas series. I do apologize. Please forgive me. And thankful to my sister. She informed me, shout out to you, boo, that you guys couldn't really see the brushes that I showed you in the last video, but if you check them out in the description box below, you'll see the brushes. And I don't mind going back and add a link so you can actually see what the brushes look like that I am using. And they are affordable, trust me. If I'm using them, they're affordable. And I hope this series is very helpful for you guys. These are questions that I get all the time, and rather than charging for a makeup class, I thought this would be a nice and fun, easy way for you guys to learn everything that I learned just by watching people, talking with people, just basically being interested in the subject of makeup. So I said all that to say this. Thank you, beauties, so much for tuning in for our day 4 of our 25 days till Christmas. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Shaquita, and feel free to subscribe. I love you, beauties, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 5, and love you.